Hi, my name is Raquel Oliveira and I am a video blogger for James Meadows. Today I'm going to talk to you why you should hire a traffic lawyer. You might think it's not something you should do, you might think it's such a minor cause, but it starts to add up and you start to add up some points and it counts negative towards you and you can get to some real trouble. Now, you have a chance. And by following the tips that I'm going to give to you today, you will most likely successfully be able to help us help you and give some friends and family advice in case they do get a movie violation in the future. Okay, let's go to the advice, shall we? Alrighty. So, for any past occurrences, we can't really help you there because it's something that already happened, but you get pulled over by a police officer, the first thing you should do is keep your mouth shut. Remember, you can't do that. You have the right to do so. So you do not want to do or say anything that will incriminate or admit to your guilt. So you can still be as respectful as you can to your officer. That doesn't mean ignore and not talk to your officer or be rude and just say, no, talk to my lawyer, I'm not going to talk to you. You can still be a pleasant person and you can comply with the officer and you can just say, I choose not to give you an answer right now, but thank you. I can give you my documents. I can give you my identification. Here's my driver's license. You can still be a good person. So just try to think it that way. The next thing is don't give anything that the officer can jot down and have it against you. That goes with as well as do not give any statements. Just be smart and try to think cautiously and just be a good person and not blow off the steam, which can happen sometimes. You do not want to mouth off the officer because that certainly will be something that he'll write it down and the judge will know about it because, he'll probably have it down in the notes and then they will not be leaning against you in that case. They will be most likely leaning towards the officer. Although in the Department of Motor Vehicles, the officer does not have to have a type of independent recollection of you to find you guilty. So if the officer shows up to the court and articulates all the facts and conjunctions of the laws of the states plus the standards of that particular judge, you will most likely lose the case. That doesn't mean that you will. Again, in the law firm of James Meadows, the team works very, very hard at being able to make sure your officer doesn't state his or her case to the judge's satisfaction. So that's where we are trying to work with you. But we do need your collaboration to make sure you have bigger chances. So you're just trying to follow a few rules, follow a few common sense tips to make sure that you do get cleared and you do get to not have that in your record. So it's something that we can definitely help you. All right, I hope you like the tips that we have today. And for anything else, please go to James Meadows. He is an amazing traffic lawyer and his team is the best at what they do. They have millions of reviews, so you should just check out their website. Thank you.